everybody, welcome to Miranda Detailing, where we make satisfying detailing videos. Today's video, we are reviewing Gyeon Wet Coat. And if you guys haven't already, consider subscribing, clicking that bell. That way you get notifications each time our videos drop each week and you don't miss stuff. And if you're interested in any of the tools or apparel, then click up here on the link. It goes directly to our website where you can purchase those products easily. So we are working on this Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's white. Really, it's not in bad shape at all, so we're not going to show you any of the inside because we really don't need to. We're going to be washing and protecting the exterior. So let's take a look at what we're working with, and then we'll show you our process with Wet Coat. So the vehicle has been washed, decontaminated, and now we're just doing a final rinse, and we're going to apply the Gyeon Wet Coat to one side of the hood and see the results. So I make sure to shake it thoroughly, and I try not to over apply, but at least make sure the panel has enough on there, and then rinse it off. And immediately you see it beading, and the results are pretty amazing. So we'll go in and you can see how it's flat on the one side and very tight beading on the left side. So we will apply Gyeon Wet Coat over the entire vehicle. Okay guys, so Gyeon wet coat, that is pretty impressive. And then simply dry it, and you're good to go. So the paint is very glossy and very slick. It just feels really, really nice. It glosses up the wheels. And for a white vehicle, it's super glossy. Alright guys, so the Jeep is done. Final thoughts? I love it. This product is great. For vehicles that you don't need to machine, apply wax on, it really wasn't even full of contaminants at all. A few little tar bits and things like that on there. But really the paint was nice and smooth anyway. So all we did was we washed it. We did a clay bar on it anyway, using the clay mitt. Used some Gyeon tar to get some of those bits off, and then use Gyeon wet coat. So easy to use. I may have overused it, but that's how much I used. You can see the line at the top. That's all I used for the Jeep. Now, I may have overused it, but I wanted to make sure that every panel was at least spritzed with the Gyeon wet coat before we pressure washed it off. And really, it just makes a huge difference. Beads up immediately, and the beads are nice and tight as well. So the sheeting on it is actually really, really good, and even the beading on it is excellent. We were able to blow the vehicle off, as you saw, and then I towel dried, you know, the majority of it. It made a huge difference, and I have to say the paint is very, very slick. So there it is, guys. I love Gyeon wet coat. Awesome product. If you're interested in purchasing it, I have links down below, or also go onto our website where we have the dedicated page for all of our products. Definitely check that out. If you're interested in any of the apparel that we have, then click on that products and tools page as well. It goes to the online store so that you can purchase all that stuff. So thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.